Hey everyone, welcome back to Aussie Garage. It's Dan here. Today we don't have an interview for you guys, so we're going to give you something a little bit different. For those of you that don't know, I run another YouTube channel, Vision Trim Shop. I've been ignoring it for quite some time now because I've been busy with Aussie Garage, but I'm getting back into doing some videos now. So the first one I've done in some time was for Phil. So I've done Phil's steering wheel for him. So what's going to happen with that is I have put the build video or the recover video up on Vision Trim Shop, and I'm going to do the reveal with Phil, get his reaction and all that kind of stuff here today on Aussie Garage. So if you like the look of the wheel and you're interested in how it's all done, jump over to Vision Trim Shop and give it a look. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. And don't forget, jump onto aussiegaragetv.com.au and check out our merch. We've got some t-shirts, we've got some hats and stuff, and at the moment we've got some limited edition Sandman surfboards for the WA market. So if any of that interests you guys, jump over there and have a look. It helps us greatly if you support the channel in that way. And also remember, your likes and your subscribes mean massive things to us here at Aussie Garage on our channel. It really helps us out a lot. So yeah, like, share, subscribe, jump on Aussie Garage TV and .com.au and have a look at our merch. Alright, so let's just jump into today's video. Hey Phil.
There you go.
Does it feel like Christmas?
Oh, I hope so.
Merry Christmas. Even
Ah, nice.
it is only March.
Isn't it Christmas in July somewhere?
Oh, yeah, that'll do.
Oh, wicked. This is going to save me my hands, because I can't grip the steering wheel very often. So I'll take out the old one now, and this is going to be fucking perfect.
Awesome, man.
Yeah, happy, because this is now going to blend in with the stuff that we're doing with the seats.
Yeah, yeah.
Nah.
Yeah. No, well,
Great.
that's the first step, mate. First step into your interior was just to get you comfortable driving it.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
Yeah.
Because this is definitely going to help, because the normal standard steering wheel, like, it cramps my hands when I'm driving. So
Yeah.
nah, this is wicked.
All right, well, let's throw a Bosch kit on it and put it in the car.
Perfect. Sounds good, guys.
All right, here's our Bosch.
Yep. That's going to be awesome.
So Bosch kit. Hint to everyone who's never done this before: get the old steering wheel off first and line up all these grooves and stuff with the old steering wheel. So otherwise, your indicators and stuff won't turn on and off when they're meant to, and all that kind of stuff.
Yep.
We've got a choice of 2 different horn covers, so we can make that decision as we go. So we're going to go and do that. We'll get the old wheel off, and then we'll marry up the stuff in the back and get that on. So this is what happens when you start a simple job and the mother won't come off.
Don't lose control, even though it would be funny if you hit your balls, but I don't. No.
Motherfucker. I'm officially going to admit defeat, I think.
Yeah. It's alright, we'll just get a puller. Yeah. And the last thing I want to be responsible for is someone losing a finger and a ball.
So, that didn't work.
No.
But not to be outdone. We've
Damn,
been
refusing to
ourselves,
give up.
and we've got ourselves a duck foot puller.
Yep.
And yeah, we're not going to let this thing beat us. Alright, let's go and see if this works.
Yeah, why not?
Well, Phil, it's just meant to be a quick little fill-in video.
Well, that's what you told me.
I didn't realise we were going to spend fucking 3 days getting the fucking balance or the steering wheel off.
Well, yep. Well, it's been a long time since I've done any of this shit before, so. Oh, fucking frogs.
Well, we successfully have something on there.
Yeah.
Lost me knob.
Yep.
Of all things, me knob's gone. by the wayside. Here we go, party people.
Let's see. Oh, there we go.
Yes!
The bitch popped off.
Lovely.
Lovely job.
See? You just never give up, people. Just be a tool. I mean, get the right tool. If you need to, be the tool.
Yeah.
I've been the tool before. Look at that.
It's off.
All right, now I need to take note. Okay, that's just there. Is that all we need to take note of, is it? Yep, okay. So that groove goes to the left.
Okay. So how are we going there, Dan?
That's it, mate. She's in.
Awesome.
We just needed the right shit, man. Or the right stuff, I should say.
This is good. Nice and smaller. Compact.
But fatter.
Yeah. Yeah, well that's good. Like I said, it's going to be good for my hands.
Beautiful leather. I don't know what this leather's called.
It's just nice leather.
Beautiful.
Yep, yep. Well, you did it well, man. Thank you very much.
All right, well, I'm happy that it's in.
Happy with that.
It didn't beat us.
Yep. Cool. So what do you think?
It's wicked.
Yeah, man.
It's nice and this is nice. This is going to be so much easier for me to drive.
Yeah.
Happy with that. Happy days.
We did.
Woohoo!